Guys, what's up? My name is Jordan from Boss Life in Progress, where career, communication, and confidence meet to help you find your ideal career. This video is going to be a little bit different because I'm actually going to be talking about gift ideas for the man or guy in your life, whether it's your dad, brother, uncle, cousin, whatever. Father's Day is coming up and we want to make sure that we have some great gifts for that guy in our life, but it's kind of coming up quickly, so without further ado, let's get to the gift ideas. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get to these gifts. The one thing I want to say before we start, all of these gifts are linked below and you can get them on Amazon, but because this is a last minute gift idea video, you can also get them at the local stores around your area. So keep that in mind before we start. Alright. So, the first thing is a back massager. Now, I have one and it's not necessarily just a guy or a girl thing, but I really think that it would be a great idea for actually anyone. So I wanted to include it on this list. All right, so next thing is wireless earbuds. Now I know a lot of people have iPhones and they have the AirPods, but you don't actually have to get AirPods. If you have an iPhone, you can get several other different kind of wireless headphones or earbuds. I like to use the ones with the little thing on the ear so that they stay on when you exercise, and that's typically what I use mine for. But again, they're great for that guy in your life. The next gift idea is a watch, and whether it's a smartwatch or a regular watch, this will be a really good idea for that guy in your life. Particularly, I like to give regular watches because they give that kind of put together feel when guys are wearing suits, or even if they just have a button up, and I think it looks really nice. The next thing is a duffel bag. And when I say duffel bag, I'm not talking about a Nike duffel bag, which is fine too if they want that. But I'm talking about something that kind of looks put together. They can travel with it. And it's not technically a travel suitcase, but it looks really good, looks really put together, and then we can get them to throw away those old bags that they've had for 10 plus years. If the guy in your life is a gamer, think about getting them a gamer laptop. Now, it depends really on what kind of games they play. If they play computer games versus console. If they play console, then obviously they've got that new PS5 coming out or the new Xbox coming out. So think about that. But for a gaming laptop, the processing power is great and the graphics card is amazing. So the gamer in your life will be super happy. And for those other tech people out there, a camera would actually be a great gift to get the guy in your life. I'm actually shooting on a Sony a5100, and that is one of the more inexpensive cameras, but it works perfectly well for what you want. If you need a bigger camera or a camera with more of the bells and whistles, then by all means go check out either Amazon, I'll have the link below, or even your local Best Buy or Walmart. And if your guy wants to look stylish, think about getting them a pair of Ray-Bans or whatever brand of sunglasses you think looks best on them. Next, we have a charging station. It's something you can put by the bed, and it's an easy place to keep all of your electronics charged up in one place. The one I have linked down below in the description charges your cell phone, AirPods, and a smartwatch all at the same time. Next, we have a wallet. Wallets are great. I personally have one. Everyone has one. They're great. Make sure you get a wallet that will last a long time. I know we have wallets that are just, you know, super cute, super whatever. But when getting a wallet, make sure you purchase one that is of good quality and it has that protection so that when you have your credit cards in there, people can't swipe your information. And the last thing on this list is something personalized. Now, something personalized could really be anything, maybe with their name on it, their favorite quote. Sometimes it can be like a jersey with their name on it, or a mug with their name on it, or something that you know that they would like. This one is really all on you and the knowledge that you have of the person you're trying to get a gift. Alright guys, I hope you liked that list. It was quick and it was clean and it was last minute. Don't forget, you can check the description below for links to all of these items, or you can go check them out in any of your local stores. I will have my regular videos linked up here or at the end of this video so we can get back to career advancement videos. Alright guys, with that being said, make sure you go check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will check you guys on my next video. Bye.